Hello IBNs, in this video we will observe the growth of Rhizopus on this bread piece. So we are going to grow the Rhizopus on this bread piece deliberately. So we are going to apply a thin layer of water because we know that for the growth of fungus moisture and high temperature is required. So I am going to apply some water on it to make it moist, and same on the other side as well. After 3 to 4 days we will observe the growth of fungus on it. Okay, so I have applied enough water on it. Now I'm going to keep it in a polythene which is airtight. Why we are going to keep it in a polythene? So that it will not be contaminated by any other microorganism. So this is the day 1. So this is 5th day of the growth of fungus. Now let's take it out because we are going to observe it in the microscope. Yes, so here you can see this is fungus Rhizopus, which is commonly known as bread mold. Now we will take it out on slide so that we can observe it under compound microscope. We can use forceps to take its hyphae out. As you know, the Rhizopus is made up of hair-like structure which is known as hyphae. Let's take out thin fibers. So now we have taken out some hyphae on the slide. Now we are going to add some glycerine on it because we are making temporary slide with the help of dropper. Then we will cover it with the help of cover slip, and then we will observe it under microscope. So these are the cover slips. With the help of needle, we will put a cover slip on the slide gently. This is the correct way to put a cover slip, and then we can tap it slightly. Now we are going to observe it under microscope. Let's keep it on microscope. Then we will adjust it. Okay, now you will be able to see a thread-like structure and the developing sporangium in which spores are formed. So this is the view of slide.